Tired of messy watermelon cutting? Just press and slice. Perfect triangles in 3 seconds. Get this watermelon cutter. No more sticky hands. Just drop garlic and press. Perfect minced garlic in 2 seconds. Get this garlic press. Make restaurant-style wavy fries at home. This crinkle cutter slices potatoes, veggies, and sausages in seconds. Get it now. Burned your hands again? Use these non-slip plate tongs. Strong grip, heat-resistant. Must have for every kitchen. Cutting veggies takes too long? This multifunction slicer does it in seconds. Slice, shred, and julienne with one tool. Get yours now. Washing veggies making a mess? Just clip this drip basket in your sink corner. Drain and wash in one place. Get it now. Peeling apples the old way? Stop. Just twist and this peeler does it all. Perfect peel in 5 seconds. Get it now. Peeling making a mess? Not anymore. This anti-splash peeler stores peels inside. Peel clean, toss easy. Get it now. Never miss your medicine again. This bottle has 7 pill boxes plus water. Perfect for office, travel, and gym. Get it now. Tired of shells in your eggs? This egg cracker does it perfectly. One press, clean crack. Get it now. Peeling seeds is so slow? Not with this tool. Crack eggs and peel seeds in 1 second. Get it now. One peeler, 2 jobs. Flip it for normal or serrated peeling. Fast, safe, and easy. Get it now. Tired of wet lids on your counter? This cute cloud holder fixes that. Holds lids plus soap plus sponge. Get it now. Washing dishes taking forever? Wear these gloves. Scrub and clean at the same time. Get them now. Chopping onions taking too long? Try these 5-blade scissors. Cut 5 pieces at once. Get it now. Tired of clips and scoops everywhere? This does both. Scoop it and seal it in 1 second. Get it now. Makeup mess driving you crazy? This rotating organizer fixes it. Brushes, sponges, lipsticks, all in one. Get it now. Wrinkles in 30 seconds? Yes, with this steamer. No board needed, just steam and go. Get it now. Burning your fingers on boiled eggs? Use these egg tongs. Grab, lift, done, no mess. Get it now. Subscribe.